welcome to another breakdown where I'll be showing you how I made Ugly by Russ featuring Lil Baby. The tempo is set to 105 BPM. Alright, so the first sound that I'm using is brass ensemble. And here are the notes that I'm playing. Yeah, so that pretty much repeats all the way until here. So we get to this part where it sounds like it's being half-timed, but it's actually not. As you can see, I'm playing slightly different notes for the chords on this part, and it's also one octave lower. And I pretty much layered that brass ensemble sound with this French horn over here. As you can see, I had the volume set quite low for the French horn. I didn't want the sound to be too prominent in the track. I just wanted to complement the brass ensemble track. Next, we had the hi-hats. Here's what it sounds like. And yeah, here's what it looks like. Super basic. As you can see, I'm alternating notes. And I got the snare hitting on the downbeat. Nothing too special here. Next, we have the kick. Here's the kick pattern. And yeah, that's pretty much the pattern for the entire beat. Next, let's dive into the 808. Alright, after that, we have this bell sound. Next, we have this percussive sound over here. It's just a rim shot sound. I have the volume set pretty low, less than half, and it's from the Hacienda drum kit. I'm not sure if I pronounced that right, but yeah, you can go find it there. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the first 16 bars. Alright, now let's break down the second part of the beat. As you can see, I didn't change anything to the drum patterns. I actually lowered the bells on this part 1 octave down. What I did was I just went to edit and shifted the notes 1 octave down. The same kick pattern, same 808, same hi-hat pattern. And I already showed you how I did the brass sound earlier. Yeah, you take that same brass sound and you copy and paste onto this analog sweep pad sound. And yeah, I have it set to warm preset setting over here. So yeah, with all that together, here's what it sounds like. Alright, so here's the breakdown of how I made Ugly by Russ featuring Lil Baby. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, comment down below, hit that notification bell. I go live on YouTube every Wednesday and Friday, 6 p.m. Pacific, 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Also, follow your boy on Instagram at Larry the Ghost. I don't really use any other social media besides Instagram right now at the moment, so yeah, holler at me there. And that's gonna be it for today's video. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.